Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88, and I'm here to have a conversation about people who are looking to start their own tax preparation service, who haven't taken action yet, who've been doing their research. They've probably done Google, they've probably done YouTube, they've probably done both. They probably got all information gathered up on what to do to start their own tax service. But making that happen is a challenge. So if that's a challenge for you, and you know in your heart it's a challenge for you, then the next way to shortcut your success and to fast track your success is to look into someone who can help you make that happen for yourself much faster, much quicker, and much efficient than you can ever do on your own. And so when it comes to reinvent the wheel, when Ford came out with the car, people didn't start from scratch. They took what he already did and they improved it. So when it comes to starting your own business, you don't have to start from scratch by trying to do it all by yourself, unless you just want to and you're confident in your ability to make it happen. But if you don't believe that's you, then you want to definitely look into and keep an open mind and be willing to invest in yourself by investing in someone else's mentorship and coaching program, which is designed to help you get somewhere much quicker and much faster, other than you trying to do it all on your own. So my mentorship and coaching program has a full service solution to taking all the guesswork out and giving you a simple way to get started by focusing on specific tasks that need to be done. So if you brand new to this industry with no prior training or experience, or you've been working for a tax firm for any significant time, but you're thinking about now leveling up and starting your own tax service, no matter what side of the fence you own, you want to get started now. You want to be prepared now by getting your knowledge and skills tight, mastering the software you're going to use to do the work with, help you walk through the business credentials are simple. They speak for themselves. You're either going to incorporate right now or you're not. If you incorporate now, that means you're going to pay a state filing fee based on what state you live in. If you already got credentials set up because you're doing another business model and you don't have it incorporated, then you can use those same credentials to use to set up the tax service if you like. Now, if you want some separate ones, that's fine too. The choice is up to you. But the bottom line is we got 5 months left in the season to make it happen. Before you know it, December 31st of 2021 will be here. Tax season will be around the corner, and a lot of people won't be ready. And so my coaching program offers an awesome way to fast track your success by working with me for 18 months. So I have a few options going on right now that you can take advantage of based on your budget, based on your finances, based on where you're at emotionally and mentally inside your life. It's going to be key to that. You know what I'm saying? I got a monthly membership program, which is $197. I got a one-time special going on for $997, which gives you 2 year free professional software to use and free tax preparation training if you need that, along with some other bonuses that I won't mention inside this video. If you already checked out my videos and you already saw my special promotions, majority of them are already expired. And so the only real promotions I got going on right now is the ones I talk about verbally inside of my videos. So if you listen to my videos and you heard me talk about some special promotions that I'm willing to do for a limited time, then you want to take advantage of it. So today is the 12th. I'm giving people to the 15th of this month to take advantage of my monthly membership, which is $197, but you'll get it for 50% off for $98.50 a month. Or you can take advantage of the $147 one-time payment, which will allow you to work with me on 6 different coaching sessions to help you set up your tax service. And on the back end, you will have to do a couple of things to be ready for the tax season with that option. You will have to pay for tax preparation training costs. It does include that in the package, which if you take action before July 15th, you'll get 50% off that. So instead of paying $299, you'll pay $149 for the tax preparation course. When it comes to the software, my software is selling for $795. You'll get a 50% discount off that if you take action no later than July 15th. So that's another promotion. And I got the sales page still up for that in one of my videos. I don't know where it's at. You got to go check it out. But the bottom line is, if you want to get started and you want to be ready for the coming tax season, you definitely want to take action now versus later. Because all the different moving pieces to get started can be challenging for most people who never done this before, who have no prior training or skills, who have no prior walkthrough on how to make it happen. Because if I tell you right now, go to irs.gov, create a secure account, because that's the first hurdle that's in the way for a lot of us due to the fact that IRS came out with the secure account feature, which blocks us from even getting access to the eFile provider's application, which is another word for EFIN, which stands for Electronic Filing Identification Number. That's how you get paid, because that number is going to allow you to buy professional software and work with third-party banks that's going to collect your money on your behalf. And so the secure account situation is blocking that for some people who don't have certain financial information to use to help create the account. So if you got a credit card, auto loan, student loan, mortgage, or line of credit, those are one of the pieces of information you need to help position you to create a secure account so you can go to the next step. Now, until you can create a secure account, there's some other things we can do and knock them out the way until that can get done. Like when it comes to business credentials and business structure and all those things we'll talk about. When it comes to getting your PTIN, which is the number you need to sign the tax returns with, we can make that happen. We can make the business credentials happen. So certain aspects we can make happen regardless of you being able to create a secure account right now. And so those are things we'll focus on first if you're not able to create a secure account already. And then if it came down to it, the worst case scenario is you can still make money by working under me and my credentials, and I'll be the one that's processing the tax returns for your clients. Until we can get you with your own credentials set up going forward, will be the alternative method to help make that happen. So when it comes to being ready for the upcoming tax season, you definitely want to have confidence in your ability to prepare the tax return. You definitely want to have confidence to use the software so it can help you do them quickly and effectively, professionally and accurately. And some other tasks and information you're going to be given that's going to help you pinpoint what you need to learn and what you need to know when it comes to the clients that are going to come through your door is crucial. And so we work from January to October every year, full service tax preparation organization. So if you can't make $10,000 from January to October, and that's the minimum, then that means you're simply not doing work inside your business. That simply means you're not promoting yourself. You're not talking to nobody. You're not getting out here doing what you need to do to bring in clients to get the work done to make the money. And so that's the minimum. Income disclaimer is all my results wasn't typical. When I first got started, I generated $40,000 in 3 months. But a few things was in my favor. One, I was working in the industry for 6 years. Two, I had already had my tax credentials set up and ready to go. And three, I simply just put the word out to people who knew of me that I have my own tax service and I was free in Jackson Hewitt. And voila, they gave me the business. And so living in a big city like Chicago, where you're falling over people who need their taxes done, making $40,000 wasn't a problem. But I had to tell you that the average person that I work with, they're not gonna come close to making 40,000 because right now I'm working with people who are brand new, who have no prior training, no experience, but for whatever reason chose this business model to make it happen. This is a career industry within itself. Tax preparation and taxation is a career industry by itself. And so when it's all said and done, if you want to start the tax preparation business, the worst case scenario is if you don't do nothing else in your life concerning getting started, call me up, let's talk, let's chat. Let me educate you and show you what it's going to take for you to get started, what it's going to take for you to be successful. And then you can ask yourself, is this something you really want to do anyway? Especially if you fall into the category of no prior training or experience. Now, if you already got experience in the industry, you already been working, you already got clientele, and you just ready to take it to the next level by having your own tax service, then you definitely want to reach out to me now so we can still get you ready to have your credentials set up so you can use your own credentials on your own tax returns for your own clients when January of 2022 roll around. So I'm here to be of service to you when it comes to starting your own tax preparation business. And a side note before I end this video is I also specialize in working with people who are self-employed to maximize their profits through tax deductions. And so if you fall into that category where you're a self-employed individual and you need your taxes done and you want to maximize the profits you can get back, especially if you made significant income in the first place, then that's what my help can help you the most in is people who made significant income. For people who ain't made no money, it's nothing I can really help you to do when it comes to maximizing your profit through tax deductions. And so when it's all said and done, call me up, let's talk, let's chat. Let's see if I'll be a good fit for working with you to help you get your business up and running and off the ground. And I'll see you in my next video.